Hi there, we're welcome at the Monaco Yacht Show 2021. My name is Justin Kiel, I'm with company WASSP Multibeam. We're part of the Furuno group. And we're here to introduce our latest product, the W3P WASSP. It's an all-in-one multi-beam echo-sounder mapping system. As you can see here, presented at the stand of Furuno, we have the whole system, which includes a GPS compass. So this provides position and heading to the system. Then built inside is our DRX processor, which processes all the data. There is a Wi-Fi transmitter, a motion sensor, as well as all the communication with the transducer, which is down below here on the pole. The whole system can be powered by one connector for 12 or 24 volts, which you connect when you mount the system on the tender, because the whole idea of the WASSP, wireless WASSP system is that you mount it on a tender, a yacht tender, and then you can send the tender in front of the yacht to map an area in order to find, to create a bathymetric chart of the depth of the bottom of the sea or the area. So the way it's mounted on a tender is we see the bracket here. This bracket is being mounted at the transom of the tender. So at the transom or at the back of the swim platform. And it can be tilted, so you can actually, I cannot show it now, but it can be tilted so you can take it out of the water. You can pull it up or down to a lower and up in order to get the transducer below the waterline, because the transducer always needs to be below the waterline. Then once the system is operational, you can send out the tender will map the seafloor, and all the information about the mapping will be shown on this wireless screen. It can be shown on a wireless screen, but it can also be shown on a fixed NavNet TZ screen, for example, or other ways. But this is usually the standard way, a wireless screen, touch screen. So you can see the mapping as we look at the details here. We already see the mapping of an area which is uncharted. And you can watch in 2D or 3D. So you can zoom in, and you can also see the 3D mapping, and you can zoom into there as well. So here you can see all the detail of the seafloor data showing up. It will tell you how deep it is, it will tell you the position, and automatically it generates a bathymetric digital map of the seafloor. Now the whole concept about the wireless WASSP system is that everything you see on the tender, the mapping, is wirelessly transferred to the bridge where the captain and the officers are for navigating the yacht, the mothership. So on the mothership, as we see here, the Furuno integrated bridge system with various screens. You can have your radar, you can have your ACTIS, you can have your conning display, you can have time zero navigation software, and we can have a screen with the WASSP mapping software. So all the mapping that we see on that screen over there is coming from the tender in real time. What's really nice is this information here is available for a captain to see exactly how deep it is and if it's safe to enter an area. Because if it's too shallow, the yacht cannot enter the area, and then it's a danger for safe navigation. And this is the novelty of WASSP, wireless WASSP W3P.